Good afternoon from London, welcome to the afternoon briefing. So, the European session today dominated by talk around Dexia. We saw this afternoon French bank CDC said that they would present a plan to finance municipalities as part of Dexia. And also in Europe we saw that the Eurozone were debating a larger haircut for Greek bank creditors, and that was according to a source. So these haircuts may involve lower coupon payments and longer maturities for Greek bonds. Now, also out of Europe, we saw ECB's Trichet speaking at the same time as Fed's Bernanke. Now, Trichet said that bond buying under their SMP programme was based on the EFSF continuing this bond buying. Now, in the US, we saw some data. We saw the factory orders, which came in slightly worse than expected, came in at minus 0.2%, was forecast for 0.0%. We also saw the durable goods at the same time, which came in as expected at minus 0.1%. Now, as I said before, we saw Fed's Bernanke, and he said that the Fed would do whatever it takes and take appropriate action as needed. So it could be some sort of signal for a bit more quantitative easing there. Now, in the Forex space, we saw some more market talk that the S&P would set the Euro Swiss at 130.00. So they did a few weeks ago set it at 125.00, which saw a massive move towards that price target. So we saw a move higher in Euro Swiss, some Swissy weakening across the board there. We've also seen Euro Dollar also trade up around 100 pips on the session. And in terms of commodity market, we've seen WTI crude futures pare back most of their early losses to trade around flat at the moment, and that's ahead of the API numbers later on. But for now, that's it from me. So just later on, we've just got the API numbers, but that's about it in terms of data. But enjoy the rest of the session.